Okay, let's look at boat winch maintenance. I have bought new winches, and I have repaired old winches, and I have to tell you something that dawned on me is when I take this winch strap, I pull it out. I use my jet ski in salt water and my boat in the salt water. When I pull out this winch strap down towards the end, towards the center, this shaft and the strap are rusted. Okay, now you can spray them off and keep them clean on the outside here, but it gets down inside. So my advice is, which something I'm going to start doing is pull this strap all the way out, and then after when you're putting your boat up, pull this strap all the way out and rinse off the salt off of the base of the strap, the beginning of the strap. That will slow down the rusting. Okay, that will slow down the rusting. And let's see, what was the other thing? Oh, the handle. Okay, here's the thing about the handle. It dawned on me, I've had handles almost break, get close to breaking, and then I replace the handle. You really need to have an extra handle on your boat so that have an extra one of these on your boat. That way, and of course a tool, and that way, if it breaks while you're winching up your boat, you can fix it right there on the spot. So anyway, that's my two pieces of advice on this winch. Have you a backup handle, and when you bring your boat in, pull this strap all the way out. Not only rinse it off or wash it off on the outside. Pull this strap all the way out and make sure and get the beginning of that strap and all the inner workings in here among around this shaft right here. Okay, that's the end of that.